Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Artificial intelligence is helping businesses automate tasks, improve customer experiences, and make faster decisions. But what happens when AI makes the wrong decision and no one knows who is responsible? That's exactly what AI governance failures are all about. In this video, we'll explore the biggest governance gaps, why organizations struggle with them, and the practical steps businesses can take to reduce AI risks. What is an AI governance failure? An AI governance failure happens when an organization uses AI without clear oversight, accountability, or documented processes. For example, imagine an AI system rejects job applicants unfairly or produces inaccurate financial recommendations. If no one understands how the AI reached those decisions or who is responsible for reviewing them, the organization faces operational, legal, and reputational risks. Governance ensures AI decisions remain transparent and subject to human oversight. Why AI governance failures happen? Several common issues lead to governance failures. Many organizations deploy AI tools without maintaining a complete inventory of where AI is being used. In some cases, there is no clearly assigned owner responsible for monitoring AI performance. Others implement AI quickly without creating policies for security, privacy, fairness, or regulatory compliance. As AI systems become more autonomous, these gaps become even more significant because AI may influence important business decisions with limited human review. The business impact. Poor AI governance can have serious consequences. Organizations may face compliance challenges as AI regulations continue to evolve. They may also experience data privacy issues, biased decision-making, cybersecurity risks, and reduced customer trust. Strong governance helps businesses identify these risks early and respond before they become larger problems. How to prevent AI governance failures? Organizations can reduce governance risks by following a few practical steps. Start by creating an inventory of every AI system used across the business. Assign clear ownership so every AI application has someone responsible for its performance and compliance. Develop governance policies covering transparency, security, privacy, and human oversight. Monitor AI systems continuously instead of treating governance as a one-time project. Organizations can also strengthen their governance programs by adopting recognized frameworks and standards, such as ISO IEC 42001 and the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, where appropriate. Conclusion: AI governance isn't about slowing innovation. It's about making sure AI systems remain responsible, transparent, and trustworthy as they become more powerful. Organizations that invest in governance today are better prepared to manage risk, meet evolving regulations, and build lasting customer confidence. If your business already uses AI, now is a great time to review your AI systems, assign clear ownership, and strengthen your governance processes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.